A leading property economist has warned that the shortage of serviced land for development in the Dublin area is still the greatest threat to stability in house prices. Annette Hughes of Davy Stockbrokers told an economic conference in Kenmare tonight that the government should scrap mortgage interest relief and use the money saved to service more land for development.
When the Bacon report into spiralling house prices was published last May, it was hailed as the first serious look at the problem. Bacon identified a number of causes behind the rapid rise in property values, particularly in the Dublin area. These included strong economic growth, which has led to higher disposable income, low interest rates, higher demand for investment properties, and certain market practices, such as phase selling, which was pushing up prices. Bacon also saw the lack of serviced land as a major issue, needing redressing. And the government did respond, allocating £20 million for such work. But according to property economist Annette Hughes, it's not enough, and much more land needs to be rezoned immediately. Speaking to the annual Economists Conference in Kenmare this evening, Ms Hughes said the government has to stop their piecemeal approach to the issue.
The reason we have the problem today is because sufficient lands were not zoned for residential development in the past. I think we need a greater commitment to zoning large tracts of land, because zoning, the piecemeal approach that we currently have, is merely putting upward pressure on land prices. We need a large-scale commitment to zoning lands.
She also told the conference that mortgage interest relief should be abolished and that the government should spend the £150 million it would save on servicing land with water and sewerage facilities.
I believe we need a much greater commitment from government to servicing land and providing the essential water and sewage services for residential land. I believe that £150 million should be put into the Service Land Initiative immediately to ensure that the supply side delivers housing in the medium term. And if that's the case, I think all house buyers, all mortgage holders will benefit in the long term, because house prices will be lower.
Geraldine Harney, RTÉ News in Kenmare.